with Taylor Ortega, who you can see on this season of What We Do in the Shadows. Jared Goldstein, who you can hear on his podcast, Sorry, What? And Rachel Scanlon, who you can see in her comedy special, Gay Fantasy, available to stream now. All right, now 2 of you are on a cursed softball team.
Yes.
Tell me more about that.
Yeah.
It's not me.
Obviously.
Yeah. we're on a softball team called the Bat Midlers.
Hey.
Here we are.
Yeah.
Really cute.
A lot of baristas on that team.
But you're cursed because...
Well, the curse started to unfold itself kind of slowly. At first, a lot of couples were on the team.
Yeah.
But by game 3, first couple broke up, second couple broke up. We realized my wife was on this team. I said, guess what? You're gone. The curse will take you. And she loves softball.
She can't play.
You know it.
Yeah, you can't play. And I've been pretty safe from the curse. They put me way out in the field. So I've been pretty safe. But right before this, we realized that I've never broken up with anyone on the team, but I have had a breakup with a girl on another team in the league, which I think counts. I think that counts for the curse. It's spreading
to other teams.
Yeah. Okay, but it doesn't curse your relationship.
Oh, it does.
But if you, as long as you're not both playing softball.
Well, who's not?
Who's not playing softball? Well, but who?
I shouldn't be out there.
Jared, do you believe the curse is real?
I do believe the curse because I believe women, but nice try, Taylor.
Damn it! So close. Almost had him. All right, well, now that we talked about that, it's time to play a couch game. Sounds are all around us. You hear that? That's a sound. For this game, we'll see how well you can name sounds. I'm going to play a sound from a viral video, and you'll work together to guess the content of the video. Let's play. First, take a listen. It kind of sounds like someone placing the curse on your softball team.
Yeah.
All right, based on what you heard, what do you think it is?
Can I just be honest?
Yeah.
It's a dog running through the house, and then the dog starts pouring a lot of water.
Okay, I was gonna
And that's what I heard.
Yeah, that is.
Because yours was sounding dry at first, and I said, where's the wet?
Yeah.
Because I heard something
The
wet.
little nails on the heart.
Oh.
And then
And we don't think it's pasta being dumped in a pot or something.
I feel like that's not even wet enough. Like, that was so...
You know?
It was such a large amount of wetness.
It was ploppy and wet.
yeah, but that was maybe the sound of pasta, like hard, dry pasta.
Yeah.
Have you guys, and I don't know if this is, have you guys ever heard birth?
Only my own, honey, only my own.
Yeah, it sounded like...
It sounds like birth, but she's taking it like a champ.
Yes. Yeah. No screaming.
She's playing the music.
No reaction. She's playing the music. She's recording it on her phone.
Okay. He's like, this will make a great TikTok.
Okay, so we think it's either a dog pouring water or birth.
Yeah.
Is that
Okay,
right?
I feel good
And
about-
maybe some pasta in
Maybe
there.
pasta.
All right, let's see who was right.
Oh my God!
No.
God.
I mean,
Really big baked beans.
is that?
I've never seen
I'm
them
like,
that big.
is that pasta? I
That they're
can't cook.
making pasta.
That's how they make pasta?
That's how they make
Oh,
pasta.
thank God. Okay,
Also-
thank you. The control room's like, yeah. I can't cook. I'm busy. That's why I keep getting jobs. I have no domestic skills. No, I'm not good at being a human woman.
You better work.
Okay, all right, 500 points to Taylor for getting it right.
You literally got it right.
Wait,
I was cheating
if those are eggs, is that technically birth?
Yeah!
All right, I'm gonna give it to you. 500 points to Rachel, too. Good guess. All right. All right, next up.
A little reprise at the end.
I think it's cooking. I think it sounds like I hear a whisk, like metal whisk. I hear like wet. I think you're cooking.
Yeah. I think it's M&M's being poured into a wooden drawer. They've all heard of that before. Why are you guys looking at me crazy? They are all like, oh, that.
Wow.
You sound like a witch torturing children. M&M's into a wooden drawer.
In a wooden drawer.
Scary.
I feel like something with wood for sure, right?
I didn't hear wood.
The whisper? You whisper wooden drawer in my face?
We're both saying.
Hey, can we talk to you for a second?
So we're gonna do wooden drawer. It's a wooden drawer today.
But only one of us should say.
Okay, got it. Yeah, for sure. It sounded like a wooden drawer.
Thank you.
All right, let's find out what it was.
Okay, there's the metal. There's the metal.
Yes.
Honestly, close enough.
Yeah.
Close enough. 1,000 points to everybody.
Thank
for that
you.
one.
Good. That was good.
That was.
I think it's when you close your eyes, you hear it.
Closing my eyes.
When we come back, it's back to school night. Don't go away.